Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to solve imslib not found error in Adobe Acrobat DC. Download OOBE folder is given in description, copy OOBE folder. Open File Explorer, this PC. C drive. Click Program Files x86. Click Common Files. Click Adobe. Paste OOBE folder. Click Continue. Open Acrobat Reader. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.